today's video, I have a Born Pretty PR. I selected a few of their products to try out and review, and I'm going to use some of them. And let's get into what I chose. Also, I do have a coupon code and an affiliate link, which I will leave in the description box. So I chose 3 of their rubber base gels because I really love them. Really good quality, beautiful colors. So these come in glass bottles, 15 milliliter. They're soak off and they have the color on the top. So here is this one. This one is this number. And they all do come packaged very nicely in this box right here. I just took them out besides one so you can see how they get packaged, how they arrive to you. Okay, this is a really pretty mauve type of color. This is like my favorite nail color. Okay. So as you can see, it is so pretty, this formula. So smooth, very pigmented, self-leveling, beautiful color. Love that a lot. So that is one coat. I will do 2, just so you can see the buildup. The second rubber base I chose is this number here. And this one is a nice tan color. Very nice tan color. This is a good match for winter Lisa, because I am so pale right now. And again, same great formula. Very nice. That's that with the one coat. And like I said, here is how it comes packaged in a nice, beautiful box with ingredients on the back, some information, really high-end packaging, I think. Okay. And this is the last of the rubber bases that I chose. This one I am most excited for. Very excited. This is their black rubber base. Just trying to clean off the wand a bit. And I love black, so I'm surprised I didn't have this already. I really am. But it's kind of like, you know, like the other colors, a sheer black. And I am here for it. Love. Look how self-leveling that is. So beautiful. I'm really excited. Okay, I'm gonna cure these up and then get to the second coats of these 3 colors. Here we have the 2 coats of all of these beautiful rubber base gels. And my last products, I've never used these before from this brand, so I'm really excited to check this out. This is their liner paint gels. So I did choose 2 colors. I chose this one, LP06. And if I'm remembering correctly, yeah, this should be like a champagne type color. Very pretty. And again, these are glass bottles, 10 milliliter, And instead of the color on the top, they do have them on the sticker right here, as you see. So let's open this up. I was just seeing if the cap was different. This is so pretty. Look at all the sparkle in there. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to use this one first. Now, as you can see, it does come with a long skinny brush, as if you were using a liner brush. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Really, really like that a lot. And just to see, like, you know, a big amount of it, I'm gonna paint like a half French on this side. So pretty. These make it very easy to work with too. I just did that like so nicely. So that's that. Let's cure that up. Okay, I'm excited to check this out. That was really nice. This is LP06. This is a lighter one, basically a metallic. This one is glitter, as you can see. So let's give this one a try. Just as gorgeous. Yeah, this is like a champagne metallic. Now I'm gonna paint the other half of this with this. So again, we can see a big amount of this color, which is just simply gorgeous. These are really nice. Very easy to work with. Great brush, great pigment. So freaking pretty. I don't even think it's needed, but let's get our second coats going down. Okay, here we are. All the colors with double coats and top coat. And they're all just really gorgeous. I really don't even know what I want to do today. They are just all so pretty. This is going to be a tough one. I'm going to think about it and be back. Okay, I just drew a quick design real fast. So let's see if I can translate this onto my nails. Okay, so my first step is going to be... Let's see. I'm going to be using the beige builder gel. Rubber base gel. And I'm going to apply that on these 3 middle fingers. Now I'm going to do second coats to all of these nails with the same color. This time now I'm going to do a bit of a build up. Hold it upside down for a second. And then I think I'm gonna flash cure it and do them one by one. So now I'm moving on to the black. I wanna do my thumb and the pinky nail all in black. Now I'm taking a bigger scoop of the black and we're gonna fill in the whole nail. I got my pinky and my thumb done. So now I'm coming back to these fingers and I'm gonna start on the tip area to finish off the French tip. I definitely want to bring it all the way up to the side. Up the side walls. And I'm going to take this again and I'm just going to clean up over here a little bit. I'm coming in with a bigger scoop. Now I'll hold it upside down and then a little bit more to darken it up. I added some solid black to my smile lines. I like how that contrast looks there. And now I'm using this beautiful liner paint gel. And I'm just going to do another smile line a little above it, not too far up, not too far down. And I'm just going to leave it simple like that. Just mimic the same smile line shape. Saw on somebody's nail set, I don't know which one, but they did like an X across their whole nail, but it wasn't like an even X. One line was shorter than the other, and I just thought it was a really cool look. So when I'm done with this line, I flash cured it to make sure I didn't drag any of the paint when I do the opposite line. And when I get to the opposite line, what I did was I started from the middle to the corner I wanted it to go to, just to make sure I can draw this line like as straight as possible. And then I'm just gonna finish the line going up and reach it all the way up to my cuticle. And then I do cure this again after that. So on this finger, I'm doing the double smile line again. And then I do every other finger with a smile line and then an X. I just really love this uneven X look. I don't know what it is about it, but I just wanted it on like all of my nails. So I went ahead and did that. And once I am done with all this, I cure it for a full 60. So now it's time to put some bling on these things. And I'm using Born Pretty's nail tip gel. I really like to use this as a rhinestone glue also because it is so thick. I just really like using it and it comes out easily and all that from the tube. So I'm using like champagne, I guess, colored rhinestones and the silver half circle charms. I just was going for like, you know, the silver and gold Christmas theme. I just thought it would look cute, add a little Christmas in there. And I'm just placing these in all different spots on my nails. The ones that have the X, I'm keeping it along a line. And then the smile lines, I'm just doing them at the top cuticle area. And now I'm using Born Pretty's Super Shine Top Coat. And as you can see, I'm going over everything because I have a lot of cookie dough making and all that stuff to do. So I don't want them to fall off at all. And here is the finished look. I really like how this looks. I feel like I haven't done a black set in a while, and that's just like so me, and I love having black nails again. So thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these. I really loved all of them, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.